Hey everyone, I'm Haley. I'm a commercial account executive at revenue.io. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite features on the Ring DNA Intelligent Dialer. Now, this feature is actually my favorite way to communicate with prospects that I'm in a deal cycle with, and that is texting. Now, as an account executive, I feel like when I'm on a texting basis with either my current prospects or my current customers, I build such a stronger and better relationship with them. And honestly, the sales cycle just moves a lot quicker. Now, as a friendly disclaimer, you'll want to make sure that your prospects or customers are okay with texting as a form of communication. On my screen here, you're looking at the Ring DNA dialer. I'm in a deal cycle with Jordan. He's the VP of sales at a company called Product Minders. Now, earlier this morning, I sent across an email to Jordan that's actually a proposal that we're working on together. I sent him this quick text to see if he received it and had a chance to look at it. He responded with some really good news. It looks good, but his team does have a few questions, and we simply set up a call to discuss those questions tomorrow. So you can see our texting thread right here. Super simple and easy way to communicate with my prospects or customers via text messaging. And fun fact, all these texts are actually logged to Salesforce in real time. For further information on this and other features, visit us at revenue.io and check out our Success Center at support.revenue.io.